In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Payoneer mobile app on your Android smartphone. If your app is not opening or it is not working or you are experiencing an error whenever you try to access or to use your Payoneer mobile app, then this tutorial should help you to solve any issue with your Payoneer mobile app on your Android smartphone. Now, for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to Settings and tap on it to open. Now, from here, scroll down until you get to Apps and then select the option called Manage Apps. Now, this will open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now, go ahead and search for Payoneer mobile app, and as you can see, mine is here. Go ahead and tap on it to open. Now, if you go under storage, you will realize that there is a lot of data on your app that needs to be cleared. The first thing you want to do is to go and clear cache, and to do so, just go ahead and tap on this, and then you'll see the cache option and then clear it. For my case, I don't have the cache because it is already at 0. It had been cleared, and therefore it is good to go. But if the issue still persists, you may want again to go ahead and do a thorough clearance, and in this case, go ahead and clear all the data using this option, and when you tap on it, you can permanently clear all the stored information on your smartphone. Now, once you are done that, go ahead and restart your smartphone and try logging in again and see if the issue has gone. But should you still find the problem, go ahead and try now this method. This involves going and updating your app to the latest version, and you can easily do this through the Google Play Store. Go ahead and look for your app and look for any update if it is available, and then go ahead and update it. For my case, it is up to date, and that's why this option is open. But should you find that you have an update, go ahead and update it by tapping on this option. From here, it should work well and you should have no issue. But again, should you just find a glitch still persisting on your app, you may want to go ahead and uninstall your app completely, and then go ahead and install this Payoneer app afresh. By doing this, everything should be running well and your app will be good to go. So let me know if you have any other question. Otherwise, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.